Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Zerodha to TradingView in 2026. For that, first of all, come here on tradingview.com. Afterwards, you need to log in here with the help of your email address if you haven't already. Now, by default, you will be on this type of page of TradingView. So here, I want you to click on the option of the search bar here on the top. Afterwards, simply select the option of stocks. From the list of the stocks, you can click on the option of launch chart in order to launch the chart of that particular stock in front of you. Now, once the chart is opened, simply click on the option of trading panel in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Now here, click on the option of show all brokers so that it could show you the list of all of the brokers which you can basically connect with your TradingView account very easily. So since we want to connect Zerodha with it, you can either look for the Zerodha icon here in the list, or you can use the search bar here on the top. After that, you can just simply search for Zerodha. As you can see, when I typed the name Zerodha here, it showed nothing. So it simply means that you can't actually connect Zerodha broker with your TradingView account as of right now. So in this particular case, what you can do is you can simply come here on zerodha.com. You can directly open it in a new tab just right next to TradingView. So here, once you are on Zerodha, click on the option of sign up for free, or you can also click on the three dots on the top right hand corner. Then you can look for the option of login. Basically, you need to log in into your Zerodha account first. Afterwards, on the chart that you have opened previously on TradingView, you can apply your technical skills on it. When you found any trade, when you want to punch the order, you can come inside Zerodha and then you can place your orders here. So this way you will be able to use Zerodha and TradingView together. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.